There was a deliver born again believer. He will always say, thank God, something worse than this would have happened. Listen, the son of the brother died, and he said, thank God, something worse than this would have happened. Now hear me. A day came when a daughter of this man was to get married. And the men of the underworld, either poison Rudy, awaiting his arrival. Robot 13, in attempt to have a seat, already the table now, and everything got broken. Fine. And the man said, thank God, something worse than this would have happened. Solo Kings and Ebruke, that is God in action. Let's go.
Okay, what I go carry go when
Hey, Karo be your man, Lord, Karo be your man. Karo be your man, Lord, Karo. Sing to the glory of God, my people of God. Let me. As you stand doing good in your time, Daddy, you are an impossible equation for the devil to solve. A hard puzzle for him to crack, and a question he cannot answer. Gideon, you are wonderfully made. You will stop sweating and start winning.